Magic Stone's origins are in a family stone carving business started in 2013, which has now grown into one of the top 10 Chinese suppliers in the stone industry. We are a 8 years TÜV Süd verified gold supplier with Alibaba and specializes in using natural stone, Himalayan salt, pebble, basalt, jade, and crystal to make all range of sculptures, crafts, gifts, and souvenirs. Our corporate factories are in Quanzhou City and also have another 3 factories in North China to provide a wide range of natural stone designs for clients. Our popular designs include Himalayan salt lamps, jade rollers, gua sha boards, basalt massage stone kits, granite fountains, engraved pebble gifts, cobble owl carvings, carved stone animals, stone sinks, and bathtubs. All materials we use are non-renewable, naturally formed underground over hundreds of millions of years, and gifted by our Mother Earth. We mine legally and properly to avoid environmental damage under the strict supervision of government authorities. Magic Stone also recycles a large variety of discarded stone to make fine crafts, turning waste into wealth. We are very proud to say each stone design produced by Magic Stone is precious, unique, long-lasting, and collectible. Magic Stone is blessed to serve customers throughout the world, in the USA, Canada, and Europe for sure, but also in the Middle East, Latin America, New Zealand, Australia, and some Asian countries. Thanks for your wish choice to cooperate with Magic Stone.